be part of this lifestyle medicine field, and this is a great way to be able to have our expertise and support be there for people pretty much forever, because as exercise goes, as nutrition goes, when do you tell your clients, here's a pre-graduation test, when do you tell your clients you no longer have to worry about your diet? This is the end of the road for you. You can start eating junk food in high quantities every day. Don't even think about having met me, but just don't do that for the rest of your life. When is the right time to do that? When? Yeah, never, right. When you coach someone on eating habits, it's a forever behavior, right? You don't say, hey, let's eat better for 14 and a half days. You're trying to get them to adopt habits that are, quote unquote, forever behaviors. It's the same thing with exercise, ladies and gentlemen. It's the same thing with strength training. We just didn't know it. You know, I'm 56, so when I was in college here,